Hey everyone, welcome to Supercar. Today, we're diving into the world of affordable off-roading with the 2024 Dacia Duster. We're exploring some awesome DIY upgrades to boost its style, capability, and overall coolness factor, all without breaking the bank. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got exciting reviews, DIY projects, and car adventures planned. Let's get back to the star of the show, the 2024 Dacia Duster. Stick around. Let's start with the first upgrade, overhauling the Duster's lighting system. The stock halogen bulbs are about as bright as a flickering candle in a hurricane. We need high-quality LED headlights and taillights. You might think LEDs are expensive, but there are tons of affordable aftermarket options for the Duster. The difference is night and day. Improved visibility with LEDs is incredible. They cut through darkness, rain, fog, you name it. It's also about being seen by other drivers, crucial for safety. The crisp, modern aesthetic of LEDs complements the Duster's rugged look. LEDs are energy efficient and long-lasting. They draw less power from your battery and last longer than traditional halogen bulbs. You're getting a brighter, more stylish look and making a smart investment. Upgrading your Duster's lighting enhances both its safety and visual appeal. It's a win-win situation. Next up, a big upgrade, a roof rack. This simple addition can transform your Dacia Duster into the ultimate adventure vehicle. Roof racks are incredibly useful for anyone who wants to get more out of their Duster. They provide the extra space you need for all your gear. The Duster's cargo space is decent, but it's not cavernous. With a roof rack, you can carry more without compromising on comfort. A roof rack adds a whole new level of storage. Whether it's for a road trip or a weekend getaway, you'll have all the space you need. Bikes, kayaks, luggage, you name it. The roof rack can handle it all, making your Duster more versatile than ever. It's like adding an extra trunk to your car. Imagine the possibilities for your next adventure. A car with a roof rack looks undeniably adventurous. It signals that you're ready for anything, from mountain trails to beachside camping. A roof rack enhances your Duster's practicality. It allows you to carry more gear without cramping the interior space. Load up all your gear for a weekend camping trip without sacrificing passenger space. Everyone can travel comfortably. Choose a roof rack designed for the Duster's roof rails and weight capacity. This ensures safety and optimal performance. Consider what you'll be using it for most often. This will help you decide on the best type of rack for your needs. A basic platform rack for cargo or specialized mounts for bikes and kayaks. The choice is yours, depending on your adventure plans. Adding a roof rack unlocks a whole new level of versatility and adventure readiness. It's a game changer for anyone looking to explore more and do more with their Duster. So, gear up and hit the road with confidence. Let's move to the inside of our Duster and give the interior some TLC. The Dacia Duster is known for its ruggedness and affordability, but the interior often gets overlooked. While it may not be the most luxurious, it certainly has potential for some great upgrades. The Duster's interior is nice for its price point, but not exactly luxurious. However, with a few thoughtful additions, you can significantly enhance both its look and feel. Stock cloth seats might not hold up well if you're putting your Duster through its paces. Daily wear and tear, spills and dirt can quickly make them look worn out. Our next DIY upgrade is custom washable seat covers. These covers are designed to fit perfectly over your existing seats, providing a fresh new look and added protection. Seat covers have come a long way from the old-fashioned vinyl monstrosities. Today's options are sleek, stylish, and incredibly functional. Today, you can find high-quality, breathable materials that are comfortable and stylish. These materials not only look good, but also provide excellent comfort during long drives. Washable seat covers are a game-changer for the Duster. They make maintenance a breeze, allowing you to keep your car looking pristine with minimal effort. Out on a muddy trail, dog in the back, coffee spill, no problem. These covers can handle it all, protecting your seats from everyday mishaps. Toss them in the wash, and they're good as new. This convenience means you can always have a clean and fresh interior without much hassle. No more stressing about stains, spills, or pet hair. These covers are designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, keeping your seats in top condition. Custom seat covers can also give your Duster's interior a serious style upgrade. They allow you to personalize your car's interior to match your taste and lifestyle. Choose from a wide range of colors, patterns, and materials. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more vibrant, there's a seat cover for you. Add a pop of color or create a rugged off-road look. The choice is yours. and the possibilities are endless. Some seat covers even come with extra padding and lumbar support. This added comfort can make a big difference, especially on long journeys. Protect your seats and treat yourself to a more comfortable ride. With the right seat covers, you can enjoy both durability and enhanced comfort. It's a win-win for durability and style. So, give your Duster the upgrade it deserves and enjoy a refreshed, stylish, and protected interior. Let's talk tech. The Duster's stock infotainment system is functional but not cutting-edge. A simple infotainment upgrade can transform your driving experience. Larger touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and more. Tons of aftermarket head units are available for the Duster. With a little patience and the right tools, you can do this upgrade yourself. The difference is night and day. A crisp, responsive touchscreen display. Seamlessly connect your phone, blast your favorite tunes, navigate with ease, and make hands-free calls. It's like upgrading from a rotary phone to the latest smartphone. Long road trips and daily commutes become more enjoyable. Let's talk about the upgrade that'll unleash the Duster's off-road potential, a terrain control system. This system is designed to enhance your vehicle's capability to tackle the most challenging landscapes, making it an essential addition for any off-road enthusiast. The Duster's standard front-wheel drive lacks advanced terrain management systems. While it's great for everyday driving, it doesn't quite cut it when the going gets tough. Adding an aftermarket terrain control system is more straightforward than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can significantly boost your Duster's off-road prowess. These systems use sensors to monitor wheel speed, throttle input, and other factors. They constantly analyze the driving conditions to provide optimal performance. They automatically apply the brakes to the slipping wheel, transferring power to the wheels with the most grip. This ensures that you maintain control even in the trickiest situations. It's like having an invisible co-driver constantly analyzing the terrain. This system takes the guesswork out of off-roading, allowing you to focus on the adventure ahead. With a terrain control system, you'll be amazed at where your Duster can go. Steep hills, dense forests, and rocky paths become less daunting. Muddy trails, snowy hills, sandy beaches, the Duster will handle it all. No matter the terrain, this system ensures your vehicle is up to the challenge. Adding a terrain control system is a bit more involved than other upgrades. It requires a good understanding of your vehicle's electronics and mechanical systems. It might require professional installation, depending on your comfort level with automotive electronics. But once installed, the benefits are immediate and noticeable. The added capability is well worth the investment. You'll find yourself exploring places you never thought possible. Unleash the secret off-roading beast hiding under the hood. With a terrain control system, your Duster is ready for any adventure. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome DIY upgrades that'll transform your Dacia Duster into a true off-road warrior. We've covered everything from enhancing visibility and style with upgraded lighting to boosting practicality with a roof rack and washable seat covers, upgrading the infotainment system, and adding a terrain control system for ultimate off-road capability. If you found these upgrades helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try on your own Duster. Don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more exciting car content, DIY projects, and adventure inspiration. Until next time, keep on exploring.